What's going on, guys? I'm back with the another reaction video. So I had this recommendation on my YouTube home of NightWish new song. I think it's a new song. Well, it's recent. It's called Noise. So I'm gonna be reacting to it. Yep. Let's go. Wow. Yeah. So see, if it's a new NightWish song, how are you not gonna react to it? Were they hooking the baby up to some kind of helmet? I can tell it's already gonna be a good video. Wow. I mean, look. It looks like they didn't, waste any expenses on creating the video. It looks really, really well made. I can't wait. Look at them taking pictures. So I guess I don't know, it must be a message in the video, like how much people spend time on their phones, on maybe even social media, and they forget about the little things in life, or just enjoying life. I mean, we're all guilty of that. I know I spend a lot of time on my phones sometimes. Yeah, it looks like everybody's like a zombie, slaves to their technology. Is this girl a model? Did they hire a model for the video? And I guess this part of it is vanity, right? I mean, people are vain and they'll take pictures of themselves. It's crazy. The song is good though too. Manpower. You gotta be an environmentalist. Fat away. This song is so catchy. I mean, Floor's vocals are on point as they always are, and I mean, I'm getting distracted by the video. But I mean, all the stuff that they're showing, supplements that people take, and they think they're gonna work, and obviously they don't. But it's a lot of messages in this video. It's something that everybody can take away from. Oh, the kid is growing up now, right? This chorus is catchy. Oh my gosh, I don't know how come people always try to compare Floor's vocals to Tarja's or any of the past lead singers' vocals, because everybody's different. But I mean, I think each one of them was great, and they all fit the band well. So I personally don't have a favorite. I don't know if you guys do. Let me know in the comments. What? Is that a car bat? Oh! I mean, this is crazy, and he's taking a bath in tar. A minute ago, he was Mr. Environmentalist. So I don't know. Maybe that's like personas, how people try to portray themselves online, and then they're just a totally different person. This is a good video. See, NightWish, they had a strong message in this video. Let me know, what do you guys think? What was the takeaway that you got from the video? What? That was a good transition. I like how they're going heavier now. I mean, that's something about Nightwish, that they'll do different transitions throughout their song, and I mean, they don't disappoint. I don't know why he's getting picked on. So I guess now you can see, like, look, all the all the supplements that he bought, he's realizing doesn't work. It looked like a minute ago that was the model, and I don't know what's going on with her. Is she not? I don't know. This is crazy. Is she doing surgery? Whew. Oh my gosh. This is a good song. I can't even say much more about it because it's just too good of a song. That's his broken crown. She needs more surgery. The chorus is good. The song is just catchy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I mean, I might have to go listen to the rest of this album. What is it? It's called Human Nature? Or Human to Nature. Look at the high notes. Yes. So I guess what are they saying? As a baby, he grew up being hooked on technology. The whole, oh, there's another baby. What? Wow. But look at the forest, nature. Maybe that same, we don't take maybe we take nature for granted because we spend so much time on online, on technology, social media, and then especially right now with this pandemic going on, people can't go out anywhere. So it's like I mean, we're probably more so slaves to our own technology now. But it's good to take a break, go outside, get some fresh air. The video was good. I liked the song. The chorus was catchy as always from Nightwish. Wow. If you guys have any more recommendations for Nightwish or any other bands, let me know, and I'll react to them. So just a like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.